I am having a difficulty with my washer. It is not wanting to spin correctly on spin cycle. Let me just show you what I have going on here. This is a small load. Turn on some better light here. Sorry, I'm out of focus. Okay, hope this is a little better. So this is basically my spin cycle. I just noticed the tub is not spinning. And this is what it is doing. Oh, now the tub is spinning, as it took a while. Oh, there it goes. And I've been having that noise lately, that knocking noise. Oh, there it is, and it stopped it. So every time it does a knocking noise, I just notice it stops the spinning cycle for a few seconds. See there? It stopped. Now it's gonna go back spinning. Is there anybody? Oh, look, I'm gonna spin it again, and now it stopped. And it got to take a while to start loading up for the tub to start spinning. Sorry, this is my fault. Is there anybody out there in the YouTube world that can help me figure out what is going on with my washer? I would really, really appreciate it. I'm hoping not to have to buy a whole new washer. If that's the case, then, then I have to. But if I can solve this problem with less money than buying a washer, I would be so happy. Please give me your thoughts on what I can do for this problem. Excuse my dirty washer. So every time that knocking noise there, it gets worse and worse with every load I do. Please help me figure out what is going on. Thank you.